Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh Allah, increase in my knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. I hope you all will be enjoying good health. Okay, grade 4. This is our lecture number 3 and the topic for our lecture is affix. Affixes. Fine. Affixes में आपके prefix and suffix दोनों आ जाएंगे. So let's see what are affix. Affix means to attach. In grammar, affixes means an addition to the base form or stem of a word in order to modify its meaning or create a new word. For example, dis plus agree makes the word disagree. So here we are adding a prefix mean we are adding a word before agree, okay, to make a new word that is called disagree, okay. So agree mean when you are willing to do something and dis mean no. So disagree mean you are not willing to do. Similarly here the next example is fair plus less equals fearless. So fair is our root word and when we add a suffix or a word after it, we will make a new word mean fearless mean having no fear, okay. So let's see them in detail. Fine. You have seen in the example that an affix can be attached before a root word or after a root word, okay. Like you see here our base words are help, and if we add a prefix un and a suffix full, so we'll make a word unhelpful. Similarly, replace or placeable or replaceable. Fine. So let's see what are prefixes. Okay. A word or letter added before a root word to modify its meaning or create a new word is called a prefix. Some common prefixes, their meaning and examples are, okay, you can see in this picture as well. If we are going to add by in cycle, it will become bicycle. By mean too. Over mean too much. So over eat. Okay. Un mean not. Unhealthy mean not healthy. Dis mean not. So dishonest. Okay. Let's see some more examples. Okay, this we have already discussed. It means not. Example is disagree. By mean two. The example word is bicycle. Micro means small. Microwave. Re mean again. The example word is return. Homo mean same. Homogeneous, ek jaisa. Pre mean before. Prefix mean a word which is fixed before a word. Okay. Un mean not, unfriendly mean not friendly, inter mean between, international mean bain al-aqwami जैसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं इसको between different nations, okay. Okay. Keep in mind that a prefix can change the meaning of a word, okay. For example, if we are going to pack something and we add un with the pack, it means unpack. Similarly, a possible thing can become impossible by adding the prefix im, okay. Wrap, if you are going to add un, then it will unwrap, fine. So if you are going to like someone by adding this, we will dislike the thing or person, okay. So here you see the prefix can change the meaning. Now come to the suffixes. So what are the suffixes? Unlike prefix, suffix is a word or letter added at the end of a root word to modify its meaning or create a new word. Suffixes can be used to make plural forms, okay? What are the uses of suffixes? They can be used to make plural forms. For example, when we add s in cookie, it will become cookies, mean more than one cookie. Okay, they can also change the tense of the base word, okay, like by adding love. By adding s in love, it will become loves, okay. Loves is used for the singular third persons. And by adding ing in love, it will become present participle form, loving. By adding ed in love, it will become past participle form, that is loved. Fine. Okay, here are some common suffixes, their meaning and their example words. Fine. Able. Able mean able to do, किसी काम के करने के काबिल होना या उसको कर सकना. Adaptable is the example word. Less mean without. Colorless mean without any color. Okay. Odorless, like, is another word, without any smell. Okay, the next word is ness, ness. Ness means state of being, heaviness, sadness, happiness. Okay, the next word is meant. Meant mean condition of. Okay, argument, punishment could be another word. Okay, so the next word is ship, position held, like friendship. Fine. Okay, here comes the activities. Use the following prefixes to complete each verse. Okay, here are some prefixes like miss, un, im, pre, re, de, with, ill, and non. Okay, so number one is, of course, prefix. Number two, improve. Number three, replace. Number four, nonsense. Number five, remind. Number six, unlucky. Number seven, withdraw. Number eight, illegal. Number nine, defrost. And number 10, irrelevant. Okay. Now come to activity number two. The next activity is read the words below, underline the prefix or suffix, write the root word in the blank. Okay. I have done the first two for you, like preheat. Here, pre is the prefix and heat is the root word. Fine. The second word is breathless. So here, breath is the root word and less is the suffix. I have underlined the suffix over here. So next you have to do by yourself. Words I'm going to read for you. Unkind, quickly, overlook, defrost, wonderful, comfortable, submarine, and exchange. Okay, here comes the next activity. Make at least two words by adding following suffixes to a root word. Okay, so here is the list of suffixes. You can see them over here. Ness, ness, less, less, est, est, able, able, and full. Okay, so first one I have done for you, like kindness, happiness, sadness. Okay, the next word is less. Okay, it could be countless, friendless, fearless. Est, est is used for the superlative degrees, basically, like big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, so biggest, richest, able, comfortable, um, or preventable. Fine. Full, beautiful, wonderful. All right. Okay, students. I hope you all have listened the lecture carefully. Now attend this lecture with activities on your grammar copies. Don't forget to submit your work till 24th July on Friday. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.